Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, all you really need to do is pull down your notification panel, locate the power saving mode, tap on it, and there you go, you're done in the general power saving mode manner. Now additionally, if you're interested, you can do a couple extra things to preserve your battery, and I'll quickly go into a couple of them just to show you. But before I do, I'll mention that power saving mode does change a couple of things, like for instance your mobile network and Wi-Fi connections when the device is in sleep in sleep mode, I think. So it will disconnect from them, which will cause you to not have any kind of updates during this time. And it also turns off your high refresh rate on your screen. So instead of having 120, now you have 60. So now that you know that, we can go into a couple of things extra that will have a far better battery saving effect than this wimpy little power saving mode. So number one, the less effective ones are disabling things like your location. If you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. Bluetooth, again, if you're not using it, turn it off. I'm going to turn location off. There we go. So that's a couple of things. Number two would be, if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you probably are using primarily your Wi-Fi. If this is a tablet, considering you most likely are using it at home, turn off mobile. You don't really need it. So it is using more of your battery, and again, not using it, don't need it. Second page, we don't have anything turned on here that would give us any kind of effect. Let's see if there's anything extra here. So Bluetooth I already touched upon. Yeah, that's basically about it from the toggles. And now going into one of the most important things would be the device brightness. So right now that would be what I would be normally using this device at in a normal daytime scenario. So it's almost maxed out. This uses a lot of battery, the brightness. And if you want to gain extra 6-7 hours of battery life, all you really need to do is just do this. There we go. And you just gain about 6 hours of battery life, if not more. Now I'm kind of guessing the amount of battery life you will get from this, just because I have no actual way of knowing it. Your device doesn't actually tell me, or this device doesn't actually tell me how much time is left at the current state of the settings and battery. So I'm just virtually judging it from past experiences on the devices that actually did tell me, but those, keep in mind, had a much smaller screen and also much smaller batteries. So I assume it will be somewhere around 6 to 7 hours of extra battery life by dropping the max brightness by the amount that I did. Additionally, just a little thing to know, as you can see right now, I'm basically dropping it from half to almost full, and truth be told, there's not much visible difference. There is a difference in power consumption between those from here to here, but you don't get as much visible brightness. So that is something that you should know. Brightness, the brighter it gets, the significantly more energy it needs. So even from max to this, virtually the same kind of brightness look, but still the device just gained probably additional hour or two of extra battery life. So the brightness is most likely the most important thing to change when you're trying to preserve battery life. But now going back to the actual power saving mode, which this kind of begin with, the toggle was right here, and once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again, and this will re-enable your high refresh rate and make the device go back to the normal functioning state. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, informative in any kind of way, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.